got to that part of it.
Oh, jeez. This is wild.
This does not feel safe.
It does not feel safe.
I don't feel safe. I don't feel comfortable. I would very much like to get off now.
Well, we're going to the exit, so you just got to wait.
I don't like this. I don't want to like hit my head. Oh my god. Oh my god. I don't feel safe. Why are you laughing? Hey, no. I don't like this.
We're almost done, I promise. Eli loved it so much he wants to go again.
YouTube thinks you will like this video right here. So do what it says. Click here for more.